This taping technique can be used for fingers and toes, and it's called buddy taping. Buddy taping is when an injured finger is placed next to a non-injured finger and taped up to give it extra support. This can be used post breaks and dislocations. As you can see here, Tim has injured his middle finger, and I'm going to tape it up to the fourth finger. With this tape, again I'm using the 25mm. You can also rip a 38mm tape in half. Get the patient in a position so that their fingers are spread nice and wide so you have access to the joints. Apply 2 pieces of tape, one around the base of the fingers and one more towards the tips. Make sure you're not going over the joints themselves. Again, you're applying in a circular motion. It doesn't matter which direction. Through the fingers, pulling nice and firmly, doing a loop. And again, another one more towards the tips. After doing both the 2 tapings, I'm just going to repeat the process one more time. On the second time, because the fingers are already stabilised, you can pull it a little bit firmer. When a player is injured, they may be apprehensive for you touching their finger or injured part. Therefore, just be careful about where you're placing your hands when taping. Make sure the player or patient can move their fingers adequately to complete the game or normal activities throughout the day. And that's buddy taping of the fingers or toes.